And straight after that, we've got Poppy. If you haven't seen Poppy's channel, go and check him out too. He's good for a chat, he's fun, and he makes cool stuff. And straight after that, we've got Poppy. If you haven't seen Poppy's channel, go and check him out too. He's good for a chat, he's fun, and he makes cool stuff.
Hey gang, Poppy here. Two item, two source unboxing. This is from Amazon Dropship. Come on. 1032 adjustable high-speed steel. This one there we go. So many people carry this that am I zoomed in? Yeah, I'm zoomed in. Hey. Anyway, so many people carry this item that my forgetting who exactly shipped it is superfluous. With it, get an instruction book. Important, it tells you how to change the backlight color from green to blue to red. If you don't do that, it'll drive you crazy going prismatic across the keyboard. Okay, with it you get power recharge cord, the unit, can you just, well, anyway, it's got the power switch here, the USB plug-in for charging there. It takes one of them, lithium ion. They're putting them in everything nowadays, so if the one that comes in yours dies, they're cheap to replace. Now, I've had this one for a while, using it on this computer. This one arrived today. You notice it's basically the same. The slight tooling redo. You know, they made like 100 million of these, wore out the die, or should I say the tool and die. The tool usually is for injection molding plastic or pressure molding plastic. Also, they're for punch presses, stamp sheet metal into intricate shapes. Anyway, so I bought this one, and it's going to be used on this computer right there. I already have it programmed for red backlight because blue and green hurt my eyes, but the red is soft, soothing, non-painful. Okay, that's that. I'll let you know how the die works out when I use it. And as for the keyboard works great. Just like this one right here. So, good night from California. Stay safe.